Welcome to 113 Donoso Plaza here in beautiful Union City, California. I'm Tyler Caton with Intero Real Estate. Why don't you come inside and take a look. This 880 square foot condo has 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a large master walk-in closet, and an open floor plan that leads you seamlessly through the kitchen, dining area, and living room. Its centralized location puts you minutes away from the award-winning James Logan High School, Quarry Lakes, and the historic Niles Town Plaza, where you can find eateries, boutique shops, and a beautiful open space to relax in. If you or anyone you know is interested in learning more, contact me today to schedule your private showing or come visit us during our open house. We look forward to seeing you there.